everybody, I'm Jason. You're watching Yakin Valley Outdoors. Today I've got my old 046 out. This thing is not ported by any means, but it does have a dual port muffler on it, so that's helped it a little bit. 28-inch Oregon bar and chain, full skip. We're going to cut some of this white oak right here and just see how it does. If I could only have one saw in my arsenal, this would be it. This is my baby right here. I mean, I love all my saws, but this one right here, it's a 20-some-year-old saw, and it still just rips daily. We use this one quite a bit on our jobs, actually. I'm gonna cry when it's gone. Stay tuned, there'll be more. All right, guys, once again, this is a 046, very old chainsaw. I've had it for years and years. I love it. It's excellent. Here we go, we're gonna cut another log. And I'm gonna drop start it, like a lot of you guys say we're not supposed to do. But watch this. because I'm a trained professional idiot. So hang in there. Stay with me. We're going to have more.
Okay.
Alright guys, once again, don't do what I do. I'm going to start this saw again like we're not supposed to do, you know. Can't do nothing the wrong way. Only I've been doing it all my life, so, you know, whatever. This is how I'm doing it. I don't care what OSHA says. They can kick rocks and flip-flops for all I care. Don't do what I do it the safe way. But hey, I'm out here having fun. It's a beautiful day out here in the Yadkin Valley. It's a little bit warmer, it's not windy. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.